think people, on the panel really know the kind of work that Rahul Gandhi has done in Amethi. And and it's all coming out now. If you look at what she did, do you remember? She got that hospital shut down, which was reopened on the orders of the Honorable Court. So basically, when you look at what Smriti Irani has been talking about, is only, in air. The actual work over there has never been done, and she professes to have done great things, infrastructure development and God knows what all. But the fact is, as far as Rahul Gandhi ji is concerned, Rahul Gandhi ji will decide, and we will come to know in a little while. And what the strategy of the Congress party is, that is for the Congress party to decide. And we don't go into elections without thinking through things. When we talk about our candidate, then why is it that the BJP has any problems when we are declaring our candidate? Our candidate should be declared. The person should be able to file his or her nomination. And of course, what they were doing in Indore and Surat, they should be thinking about that. They are murdering democracy. We are talking about building democracy, building on the foundations laid down in the Constitution. So I think we just need to wait and not really speculate on this.